Good morning, Ricky, and here are your 5 headlines. The impact of Milton. Miami-Dade County Public Schools announced that schools will be closed on Wednesday and Thursday due to the forecast of Milton. While South Florida isn't directly in the storm's forecast track, it still will impact our area. Schools in Broward and Palm Beach County will also be closed on Wednesday and Thursday, and Broward County will cancel any activities after 4 p.m. today. This includes after-school care, supper services, evening classes, events, and meetings as well. Broward College will be closed Wednesday and Thursday, as well as Florida Atlantic University after 5 p.m. Damola Adamokun is the new Chief Executive Officer of Red Lobster, taking over a chain in turmoil. He's a young black man and only 35 years old. Alamokun is a Harvard Business School and Brown graduate, born in Nigeria and raised in Zimbabwe, Illinois, and Maryland, said he plans to make several changes to the restaurant's operation. This past August, he was appointed CEO of Red Lobster, which came out of Chapter 11 bankruptcy. The Red Lobster chain must hold on to Red Lobster's customer base of baby boomers while also drawing in a new generation of diners. Damola Adamokun hopes to repeat the same success he had when he was the CEO of PF Chang. Your Hot 5 weather: thunderstorms and potential heavy rainfall today, with the high temperatures expected around 86 degrees with a 90% chance of rain and some flooding. Right now we have 75 degrees and cloudy skies, and those are your Hot 5 headlines, sponsored by Morgan & Morgan. Injured, hire America's largest injury law firm, Morgan & Morgan.
This is civil rights attorney Ben Crump. I'm asking you to join me and vote yes on Amendment 3. For decades, our black communities have been targeted by law enforcement and prosecuted over small amounts of marijuana. These predatory practices have hurt families and torn apart our communities. Here is the truth. People are now making big money off of the same plant that is criminalizing our people. I'm asking you to vote yes on Amendment 3 to help keep our people out of jail and give our police more time to focus on serious crimes that are negatively impacting our communities. This is Attorney Ben Crump. Make sure you're registered to vote, and let's show up and show out. Vote yes on Amendment 3.
Paid political advertisement paid for by Smart and Safe Florida, 1400 Village Square Boulevard, Suite 3321, Tallahassee, Florida, 32312.
Xfinity here. How can we help?
Hi, my daughter invited her entire class to